If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Welcome to the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener. We're planting some catgrass today. Catgrass is an ornamental, but it's also a nice little treat for your cats. It provides some vitamins and fiber for them, and it's a good alternative to them eating your plants. This is Tex. He's very excited because we gave him a treat, but he doesn't really eat our plants. He does try to eat the dead parts of the plants. However, I just thought it would be fun to plant some catgrass for him. I went out to lunch this week and I have this takeout container, so I'm repurposing it. Joey drilled some drain holes in it for me, and the bottom part is for just the drainage tree. So I'm just going to put some soil here. Tex is very nosy. Tex is an only cat. Is that enough, Tex? Do you think so? Okay. It takes 2 to 3 days for this to germinate. If you're growing it outside for ornamental reasons, it will take up to 60 to 90 days to get to the desired height. Inside, it'll just take a little bit of time. And you can plant this year-round inside, or you can plant it outside after frost. Does it smell? Do you smell it? I'm very curious. I can show you the seeds. They're not very, they're quite big, I mean. And then you just kind of sprinkle them. Tex is helping. He's very helpful. He supervises. There's not really like spacing, you just kind of sprinkle them around. It's been a while since I've done this, but they do like the catgrass. So that's good enough for now. I can't get that one. Okay. And then they don't need much coverage. The soil's very moist. That should do it. So there you have it planted, and we use paper towel to help the plants germinate as like a mulch, and to keep it down you just use a little bit of water. Oh, watch out, Tex. So there you have it. So in a couple days we'll have some catgrass ready for Tex to enjoy, but it does make a nice ornamental. And here's Tex, our furry guest.